This video I will explain common budgeting mistakes and how to fix them. A budget is a simple plan for how to use your money. What comes in, which is income, and what goes out, which is expenses. But many people make common mistakes when budgeting. That can cause stress, debt, or poor savings. We will see what are those mistakes and how to fix them. First one is not tracking expenses. Mistake. Many people don't actually know where their money goes each month. The fix is write down or use an app to track every expenses, even small ones like snacks or coffee. This gives you a clear picture of your spending habits. Second one is ignoring small purchases. Mistake. Thinking it is only a few dollars and ignoring small daily purchases. Over time, these add up to the big amounts. Fix is include all expenses in your budget, no matter how small. You will see where small leaks are happening. Third one is making a budget that is too strict. Mistake is creating a budget with no room for fun or unexpected expenses. This often leads to giving up. Fix is make a realistic budget. Allows a little money for fun and add buffer for emergencies. Fourth one is forgetting irregular expenses. Mistake is only budgeting for regular monthly bills and forgetting about things like birthdays, car repairs, or holidays. Fix is plan ahead for irregular cost by setting aside a small amount each month in a separate saving account or envelope. Fifth one is not saving first. Mistake is spending everything first and only saving if something is left over. Usually nothing is left. Fix is use the pay yourself first method. Save a fixed amount as soon as you get paid before spending on anything else. Sixth one is not reviewing the budget. Mistake is making a budget once and never checking it again. Life changes, so expenses changes too. Fix is review your budget at least once a month. Adjust for new income, bills, or goals. Seventh one is depending too much on credit cards. Mistake is using credit card as extra income instead of a tool for convenience. This creates debt. Fix is only spend what you can pay back in full each month. Track credit card use in your budget. Eighth one is no emergency fund. Mistake is not having savings for unexpected cost like medical bills or car problems. This forces you into debt. Fix is build an emergency fund of at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses, even if you start small. Now we will see the summary. Common budgeting mistakes include not tracking expenses, ignoring small purchases, making budgets too strict, forgetting irregular expenses, not saving first, not reviewing the budget, overusing credit cards, skipping an emergency fund. By fixing these mistakes, you will create budget that is realistic, flexible, and help you to save money while avoiding debt.